Guys, today we are going to create a website where you can put all of your stuff, and I'm going to walk you through how to create that website. First of all your requirements are here on this slide. This will be attached to the assignment as well. So you need a name for your site that can be your name. I don't want you to use your full name. You could also use something that represents you as well. A brief description about you. So tell me a little bit about you. And then a picture that you really like. And then you're going to use the, we made the me drawing. We made that at the beginning of the year. You're going to use that as the header image on your landing page. And I'll show you that in a minute. After that, you're going to need these different pages: photography, audio, and video. So let's jump into how you make a website. And then that's what you're going to start working on today. So first of all, in order to make a site, you click on new, and then you go down to Google Sites. And then I'm going to name this one Mr. Logue. And I'm going to title it the same thing here. So that's what I'm going to do first. You just name your website. There you go. That's good. Now I need to change my header image. I click on that. I am going to select an image, and I'm going to select it from my drive. And I hope mine pops up pretty quickly, but I got to search for my image that I want. So I'm just going to use whatever image right off the bat. I want you to use your image. Let me see if that one came up, my me image. There we go. It's right there. Perfect. I want you to use the me drawing that you made. I want you to select that and put that here. Now mine doesn't quite fit in there the right way, so we can change our header type. We can make it a large banner to make it fit. We can also edit the size of our original banner. I can even make it really large, but so that's what you're going to do first. On this, I probably now don't even need this title since I have my name there. This title won't show up when you publish it. But if you only have pictures and not your name, put your title. Now for the next stuff, it's pretty easy. For a text box, you just, here is my, right, that's where your description is going to go. If you want to add an image, we just added an image, but it's kind of the same way. You can upload or select. So if I want to select from my drive, I can select any image from my drive. This is just going to take a second. And where will I have the most images? Probably in images, right? And so I'm going to select whatever image that I want. So let's say I pick this one and hit insert. I can move that around by dragging it, right? Just drag it wherever. If I want it next to the description, I can do that. Oh, I forgot to show you in the description, you can make this a title. You can make it, different sizes. I can fill in behind it. I can change the size on this by dragging it. Right, so I can make that picture bigger. And I can insert all sorts of images. I can embed websites, things like that. There's all these different things that you can play with. But I want to show you what we're going to do next. We're going to make pages, right? I said you need to make 3 different pages. So you just click add a page. And the first one we're going to say is images. And then the next one is audio. And then the third one is video. And then these pages edit just the same. If you want to have a different banner for this page, you can. I asked you to insert the images that you made. And in order to insert a slideshow, it's pretty easy. You go back to insert and you click on, well, you can go to 2 places. You can come here, or you can go to your drive. And then you just find in Drive whatever it is that you want. So here is a slideshow that I used for you guys. I'm going to insert that. And I can resize that. I do want a title, so I want you to tell me what those images are. So by now you should have a lot of stuff that you can put on this images page. So that's what I'd like you to work on today and probably part of tomorrow. The last thing I'm going to show you here are themes. And you can select all these different themes, totally up to you. I don't care which one you use. You can use whichever one that you want. Doesn't bother me at all. At some point, we're going to publish this. Today, what you're going to do is you're going to add this to Google Classroom, to the assignment. Don't press turn in yet, because we're going to be working on this. It's going to be, like your portfolio for the year. So we're going to work on it throughout the year. But at some point, we'll publish this so people can see it. You can preview what it looks like here. If you want to see what it looks like on the web, we can preview on the web, or if you were on a tablet, or if you were on a phone, you can see the difference in previews. And that's really all you need to know today. You can customize this and really get into this if you want. If you want to use different layouts, things like that, totally up to you. But I at least want you to create the website today and start getting all of your images that you've taken, or the slideshows with your images, onto this website. And I do want titles for each of these. So again, if you need to add a text box, you just click that. And then if you want it to be next to it, sorry, that's the wrong part. You grab this part and then you drag it next to it. If you want it to be next to it, you can. If you want it to be on top or bottom, that's fine too. So that's it. That's what we're working on today, is building your website.